Chicken vegetable soup. A main dish from Ghana. Serves 2. You will need 14 ingredients. Step 1. Place the ingredients in Group 1 in a 4-quart kettle. Bring up to a boil and simmer until chicken is done. Step 2. Remove the chicken and put aside for use in an entree later. Step 3. Add the can of crushed tomatoes, the eggplant and the okra. Step 4. Simmer until beans are thoroughly cooked and soup has reduced by 1/4. Step 5. Correct the seasoning to your taste. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.